Greg Udelhofen with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at World of Asphalt with Marco Paris. He's the Product Application Specialist for Dynapac. We're here to talk about the MF2500CS Material Transfer Vehicle. So what's really different about this than any other material transfer vehicle on the market?
I believe one of the biggest thing is the ease of operation for the operator. You can get up on this machine. We have what's called an auto distance control and auto feed control. So the operator, once he gets up there, he can preset his distance to the pavering machine. You press the button, this feeder will automatically travel with the paver without the operator doing anything. It's all automated. Another feature is we have an auto feed system for our conveyor belt system.
Okay.
So the operator does not have to worry about how full or how empty the hopper in the paver is. It's got an ultrasonic sensor on the back of the swing app. It'll automatically turn the conveyors on and off and speed them up as asphalt is needed. That's one less operation that the operator has to do. Another one is operator visibility. When we raise our cab up in the air, we'll raise it up about 3.5 feet in the air. He has full visibility to the truck drivers, full visibility to the paver operator. He can swing his platforms out to either side. Now he has full eye contact with the operators. They won't have any blind spots.
So I wanted to go back to the productivity issues that you talked about earlier.
Yes.
I mean, those three improvements, enhancements for this machine, it brings up both an experienced operator as well as maybe not so experienced.
Yes.
A lot quicker, brings up their productivity a lot quicker.
100%.
Okay.
You can get an inexperienced operator to get up there. Once you show them a few of the functions up there with the buttons, now this machine is actually driving itself.
Right.
So it's very easy to train a new employee to run this feeder.
Yeah,
there's not a lot for him to do. Honestly, once that auto function gets going, this feeder you're almost just steering it and just concentrating on the trucks coming into the feeder. You don't have to worry about what's going on the back end.
Yeah, and as far as ownership, that's got to improve the bottom line for the owner, right?
Yeah, 100%. You don't have to have like a fully 30-year veteran to drive this machine. You can hire a younger kid. It's high tech up there. It's easy for the operator to maneuver this machine around.
Yeah, so is there anything else that you'd like to talk about with this particular machine? I know that it comes with different options as far as the length of the conveyor system.
No, we have what's called on ours, it's a removable swing app. So if you are paving an echelon, or you need to feed a paver over top of a median, we put our swing app on the back of it. It'll swing 55 degrees from the axis of the machine, and you can pave over a median, or if you're running two pavers in an echelon, you can feed both of them at the same time, just swinging back and forth. We also have a rubber belt feed system, which is a lot different than most other manufacturers. So what we do is we just carry the full amount of asphalt up on the rubber belt. There's very little wear. The material is not sliding on metal plates, metal slide chutes. We have a high capacity output of this machine. With the swing app on, we have 2,000 tons per hour, which is a huge amount of asphalt. And if we took our swing app off, we could pump out 4,000 tons of asphalt per hour. So if you're in a situation where you get behind in trucks and you got a lineup of, say, 20 or 30 trucks waiting to get emptied, we back them into this thing. We can crank our conveyor speeds up, get the paver to speed up, and we'll empty those trucks a lot faster than any other manufacturer out there.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Well, I appreciate your insight. Thanks.
Yes. Thank you very much.